Hey there, we live in crazy times, don't we? The AI, global conflicts, financial ups and downs, and so much more happening all at once. So easy for our minds to get distracted with what is truly important. With all this background noise, we sometimes forget to ask the deeper questions in life. Not to get too philosophical, but the deepest questions I ask have resulted in the greatest life reflections. Nature and the outdoors have facilitated this, providing a calm space to think and grow. I'm a Gen Z trying to navigate all these complexities, and I'm excited to have you on this journey. Welcome to Sunlit Perspective. Here we dive into life's big questions with a good dose of humour and a sprinkle of sarcasm. We explore personal stories, opportunities I think are available, life reflections all over the overarching theme of gratitude and laughter. So if you're looking for insightful, entertaining content to help you make sense of it all, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join the community.